Hello, this is Jared from Commit to Quality, and today we're going to go through downloading and installing Git on Windows. Should be a very simple process. So to start it off, you want to go to Google and just type in download Git, and you should see the first result is git-scm.com. So if you click on the downloads link, we'll be taken to the downloads page where we can select our operating system. In this case, I'm going to use Windows. On here, choose standalone installer, and I'm going to go for the 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Let's wait for that to download, and then we'll open it. Awesome. So with that open now, we're just going to click through next on a lot of this, because a lot of it will be auto-selected for us, and it's only if you really want to change the basic setup, which I don't think I really want to. So we'll click next on the general public license. Happy with the destination location, so I'll click next. Click yes on that because I already had it. Now on here, if you want additional icons on the desktop, you can check it, but for me, I'm happy with just having the auto-checked ones and nothing else. I don't really want to check daily for Git Windows updates, but if you want to, you can add it all in. So I'm just going to click next on this. My start menu is going to have Git. I'm going to use Vim as Git's default editor. Now, there are some notes saying that really you should be using a GUI instead because that's more modern, but I'm happy with what I'm using here, so I'll just click next. I'm going to let Git decide what I want the initial branch to be called, and currently they state it's master. That's what I'm happy with, but if you want to change it to something like main or trunk or whatever you want, you can select it here and change it there, but I'm happy to keep it as master with what the defaults are. Here, I'm going to say I want to run Git from the command line and also from third-party softwares as well. So I don't only want to use Git bash that gets installed there. I want to use other things. So I'll click, keep that the same. Click next. Use the bundled open SSH, so click next. Same with the SSL library. In terms of checkout Windows style and commit styles, we'll stick with the default, which is Unix style line endings for commit. And let's click next. We'll use the default terminal here as well. You can obviously select different, but I'm happy to keep it as this. Same with the behavior of Git pull. So let's click next. We'll keep the Git credential manager to use the cross-platform one. Click next. I don't want to enable symbolic links, so I'll leave that, but I'll keep enable file system caching as true. Click next on that. I don't want any experimental options, but you of course can add some if you want to have a look into it. So all I'm going to do now is click install. Let's let this install and we'll just check the Git installed. Awesome, so that's all installed now. So I'm going to open up Git bash and I'm going to have a look to make sure that the correct Git version has been installed. So I'm going to say git space version. And there we are. We can see now that Git is installed using version 2.37.3 on Windows. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.